My name is Christopher Woolfolk. I'm a welder at Kubota in Jefferson, Georgia. I've been there almost a year now, trying to complete the program that I was originally in, the Welding to Work program here at Athens Technical College. The impact that the Welding to Work program had on my life is basically, it has given me an opportunity to further myself, to better myself, to change my whole life. I found out about the Welding to Work program through Athens Clark County Correctional Facility. I was actually in the work release program at the diversion center, and they was about to release me. But I knew that if I were released the way I was going back to the same old thing, headed down the same old road. And upon hearing about the Welders program, I entered the program to better myself. Therefore, I don't have to return to my old ways. And it was kind of like an all or nothing thing for me. I knew if I returned to my old ways, where I was going to end up at. So this program has actually helped me out a lot, because I'm hundreds of miles away from home and I'm doing well right now. The program had actually got me into school. I'm currently returning to school to get my welder's technology, to get my diploma in welder's technology. And also, it's keeping me out of trouble, and is giving me a new start, a new life, basically. The people in the program, they took their time to make sure that everyone that was in the program got a full understanding of the program and how important the program was in order to help them. They didn't have to do it, but they took the time out of their day to come to the correctional facility to offer this program to inmates, to help inmates better themselves, to help inmates get back on their feet, to give inmates a new life, a new start. Therefore, they don't have to travel down the previous road that led them there. They actually paid for everything. They brought the welding booth out, all of the material. They actually just, they treated us like we was their own family, like they took the time and gave us love and care. And I seized that opportunity because I knew that it was a great opportunity. And this opportunity only comes once in a lifetime. It's not an everyday thing. And this opportunity has granted me so much ease, so much comfort. This opportunity has helped me in ways that I could only dream of. And if it wasn't for the program, there's no telling where I would be at right now. So I just want to say thank you to the people at Athens Technical College, Chris Thaxton, Stephanie, Miss Lee Barnes, and Kyle, for taking the time out to help us better ourselves and giving us a better opportunity. Thank y'all.